vampire killing kit. Did you know that a vampire killing kit was donated to the Mercer Museum in the Urs? Franois Glorieux. Did you know that Franois Glorieux was a Belgian pianist and improviser, conductor of the BBC Radio Orchestra and Stan Kenton's band, and arranger for Michael Jackson? Serious Sam, The Second Encounter. Did you know that a developer on Serious Sam, The Second Encounter doubled its frame rate by removing one line of source code? Penitential of Finnian. Did you know that the Penitential of Finnian is the oldest known penitential? Semarang City Regional House of Representatives. Did you know that a former Dutch villa houses both the Semarang City Regional House of Representatives and the site's mayor? Salty Parker. Did you know that Salty Parker, who spent 60 years in organized baseball, described his lifelong love of the game as a beautiful disease? Newburgh, Dutchess and Connecticut Railroad. Did you know that the directors of the Newburgh, Dutchess and Connecticut Railroad stole back the railroad from a bankrupt lessee? Patrick Berry. Did you know that puzzle maker Patrick Berry has been called the Thomas Pynchon of crosswords? I love hearing from you, so leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments.